Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on a Dodge Durango. First, park your vehicle on a level surface, about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is correct and the fuel tank is at least half full. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a measuring tape for this task. This preparation ensures accurate adjustments. Now, open the hood of your Durango to access the headlight assemblies. You'll need to find the adjustment screws for both vertical and horizontal aiming. These are usually small, gear-like screws located near the top and side of each headlight housing. Take a moment to identify both sets of screws before proceeding with any adjustments. To adjust, use your Phillips head screwdriver. Turn the vertical adjustment screw to raise or lower the headlight beam. Then, use the horizontal screw to move the beam left or right. For optimal visibility and to avoid blinding others, aim your low beams so the top edge of the brightest part falls about 2 inches below the center mark on your wall. After making your adjustments, step back and verify that both headlights are aimed correctly and evenly. It's crucial to test your new settings at night on a dark, unlit road to ensure proper illumination and safety. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for any specific recommendations or additional details regarding headlight adjustment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.